So Camp Gottalikachallenge is multiple one-week sessions in the summer for campers from New Hampshire and around New England to come together, spend a week working on creative problem solving, teamwork, and doing things that they've never done before and putting them in new situations and expanding their skills and their comfort level.
I really like the interactive aspect of it, where they do challenges and they do the plays at night, and I think it's a nice mix of outdoor activity and summer fun, but also kind of keeping them on track with group work and kind of, cohesive thinking and things like that.
We're DI coaches anyway, so we know the DI program is just an amazing program, and so being involved with a summer camp that's associated with DI is fantastic.
It's just the variety. There's always something happening. There is downtime that they can chat and relax and stuff like that. But there's always something going on, and I think they thoroughly enjoy that. And I've seen the pictures online, and the greatest thing that I saw, I think, happened last year when they did the human hungry hippo game. It's like, I want to do that, and I think it just would have been an absolute riot to be involved in that myself. So it's nothing but fun for them.
Camp Gottalikachallenge has won. Here is a live action replay. I've got the flag!
Shucks, all in fact, Lakeford? This was not on the contract. I'm calling my lawyer!
Captain! What is it? This ship, it's sinking! What did we hit? An ice cube! An ice cube!
A lot of those other camps, I just went to a theater camp and I went to a band camp before that, and it's they're more traditional, they're still super fun, but it's you kind of know what you're going to be doing every year. But Gotta Camp, you come, and on Sunday night you get a whole giant other challenge that you would have never expected.
I love the Gotta groups that we do. I think it's so much fun to just do a whole year's worth of work in just a week. And it's so much fun, and it's so kind of high-paced and high energy, and I really like it.
I just love coming here. It's just definitely one of my favorite experiences I've had over these past 5 years. Definitely look forward to it the day after we get out. I can't wait for it next year.
It definitely makes you think more outside the box, considering when we come to camp, we get all these crazy materials that you would have never thought could do anything, but then you have to think differently and find ways to use random materials, and it definitely helps with thinking differently in school and just in everyday life.
Well, to be honest with you, the number one thing, and I tell this to everyone, is you can't beat the cost for what you provide at this beautiful setting, and for 5 days of overnight camp, no other camp can even touch the cost of it. And then in terms of the work that they do, the activities that they do, I just know that they're getting meaningful education while they're up here.
The first week he was home, after camp had ended, every day he woke up and he said, "I'm just disappointed that I'm not still at camp."
I have recommended this camp to so many people, and I just think it's, like I said, it's the best week of their summer.